Yeah,
It's
yeah.
it's like this. It's like did I take a screenshot? No, that's not it. I took a screenshot
Does
of
it
it.
show in English or is it in Hebrew? I don't know. It looks Hebrew.
No, that was the wrong screen. That was my. I think I got a screenshot of it. Let me show you. Uh, gallery.
Does it say like it's where it's coming to, or it just says missiles coming? You know, like
Well,
fucking go hide.
I think it's somewhat. I think it's somewhat specific. Like if it's in the north, I mean, you got to understand Israel is the size of New Jersey. It's really a tiny country, but if you look,
Also, don't Iran have like bombs where they can like come straight and then change its trajectory or some shit?
yeah,
Like
they've
fuck
got
it.
all kinds of stuff. They got cluster bombs that make it all the way over here from Iran, and
So
that's another
fuck.
thing too. Is people don't even understand what the war is about. You know, that a lot of the false fake news is like if you ever look
I know.
at,
Sorry.
you know, you going. I'm looking for the screenshot
I
of
want
it.
to. I know it's something with Trump, brother. I know he's trying to like do some shit with like fucking tokenizing oil and start digitalizing these resources. Like obviously we have gold on the stock market, but we don't have oil, petrol, diesel. We don't have stuff like that. I think we have crude, U.S. crude. We have China crude stock market, SPF funds, but we don't have any resources like oil and shit like that.
Mm.
And I think it has to do a lot with that. But the thing I'm not understanding is Trump didn't get into the Middle East war. Uh, be, sorry, Trump wasn't even in the Middle East war until like Israel was telling them like, you guys need to help us, you know. But that makes no sense because why would they go to Venezuela and take like I think 100 million barrels of oil from them, and now they're uh, trying to open up the Strafe of Hormuz. What do they want from the Strafe of Hormuz? You know, America is here dealing with power outages and shit, and it's just that's why I like to say in the beginning, I don't know. You know,
Can I speak?
I'm not.
Can I speak to that
Yeah,
point? So first of all, this is the alert that we get. It's probably reversed on your screen. It says alerts are
alerts
expected.
are expected.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it says find the best protect. I'm reading it backwards. Protection. Is it coming out forwards or backwards for you?
Yeah, yeah, it is. It is. Find the best protection around when receiving an alert. Enter the protected space until further notice. Yeah,
Yeah, and then you see
yeah. Yeah.
it's also in Arabic. It's
Russian and
and it's also in Russian, and that's like you get that 5 minutes before, and then sometimes you get like extreme alert. I didn't screenshot the extreme alert. Um, okay, but let me talk to that point. So when I got into this, because I'll tell you, when I was from age 13 to 23, I was like, I don't want any ethnic identity at all. If ethnic
yeah,
identity is is about like I'm gonna have to hate people and people are gonna have to hate me, forget it. You know, I don't want it. Um, and here I am, like holding an Israeli flag, living in Israel, and I grew up in San Francisco. I had a good job. I had nice friends. I had
yeah,
I had English as my first language. I was like top of the world. You know what I'm saying? People around the world would give their give their right arm for the opportunities I had. And I came to be in a country where I don't speak the language. I didn't even have like very much of the culture because my father very much like had a lot of assimilation.
yeah,
I mean, he kept a lot of the holidays and stuff like that, but a lot he kind of like left. And so for me to share my personal story of like what's the transformation for me is I didn't read it in a book that it says that God is going to take the children of Israel and he's going to cast them around the world in an exile and he's going to bring us back. I didn't read that in a book until after I got this God call saying it's time to come back home. It was like a subtle voice. I was doing meditation, like Buddhist meditation, because I like to get my mind quiet, and I started hearing this like subtle voice, and it was really as crazy it might sound. It was like the voice of God saying like I've got a job for you to do, and it's just come back to the land, and it's in only when I got here did I start learning about Israel and Palestine. And I've had a lot of experiences. I've been here for 20 years. A lot of experiences. But what I was saying about that guy, the black guy, you said who was like going crazy, talking about really disgusting things.
yeah.
There's a lot of post trauma. Just like this. Just even not being on a battlefield, just living as a civilian. It's like you got to live your life. I can't work as a DJ because there aren't, we're aren't allowed to have gatherings, you know, because it's like it might be too
Right.
dangerous. Um, so if we could have more human conversations, dude, you've learned a little bit about my culture and what the blue stands for.
Oh yeah, bro.
The
I
star,
love to learn.
the star stands for heaven meeting, like heaven meeting earth. You know, you've got to basically it's don't think of it as a star. Think of it as two triangles, right? There's a triangle facing up and there's a triangle facing down, and that's where we can create heaven on earth, right? If you like focus your eyes, there's a triangle facing up and a triangle facing down,
Yeah, yeah, right.
right? Not so much like a
Oh yeah, I
star,
see it. I see it. Yeah, I see it.
not like a star in the heavens, but like where heaven meets earth, and like we're like the blue is also like the color of the heavens. We can live a moral life, and yeah, and then that's the kingdom of God. Is like when we human beings are living with love and care and respect.
I think that's beautiful, brother.
Yeah, unity,
I think
respect,
that's very beautiful.
the unity of
But
humanity.
I want to tell you something. With this, the way our world works with economy, brother, that's not gonna happen, bro.
Oh, so that's what I was saying. I was saying like one of the
Yeah,
guys
the
he said,
econ-
"What's Iran? Why is Iran sending all these proxy militias and Hamas and Hezbollah and why are they doing
yeah.
this? Like we don't even share a border. If it was
It's all
just
buddy,
yeah,
all buddy, brother.
you think it's all money? I don't know how much money do
It's
these
all
guys
money.
have.
It's
These
all.
ayatollahs, they've got so many properties and stuff. But what they do is, this is where it's the threat to the U.S. Like, why should the U.S. get involved? Because you said, why was Trump not? Why did Trump just step in when Israel said, "Help us"? So
Yeah,
the truth is, Iran's been. I mean, you see, Iran's been firing against all these Gulf countries, even Cyprus.
yeah,
They're
yeah,
only looking forward to the big it's a big word in philosophy. It's called eschatology. It means like their ideology about the end of days. Their
all right.
their mentality, they're called 12 verse Shia Islam. That's the mullahs over
Yeah.
there, and they think that there are 12 imams, and the last imam went into hiding, and he's only going to come back.
Oh well.
Just got an alert, bro. There's an alert saying go to a bomb
Is that
shelter.
the bomb alert?
Alerts are expected in a few
Oh,
minutes.
brother.
Hey, can you see that?
Oh no.
So my bomb
Hey, brother.
shelter
I mean, honestly, brother.
My bomb shelter is right downstairs, so I'm gonna wait till the next one. Or maybe I'll just live my life, you know? Oh, did you see that? So,
Hey, I love living life with a risk a little bit.
yeah.
Alerts. Nah, brother. Honestly, brother, this is sickening to my heart. To be
So
honest.
that's the thing is
Even
I'll prove my point. So Iran, this regime that took over with the Ayatollah, he started having all the population chant "Death to America, Death to Israel," and they would put the American flag and the Israeli flag on the floor at the universities. And if you wanted to get to class, you had to walk on the American flag. Right? It's basically they would call America the big Satan, the big Satan, the big devil. And so
yeah,
when we say like America's fighting Israel's fight, it's just not true. Because the Ayatollah, these guys, they have their eyes on the prize. What their prize is called a global caliphate, right? They
yeah,
want Sharia law all over the planet and they want to be the emperor. You ever see Star Wars?
yeah. Once.
The Emperor Palpatine, right? And
Yeah.
that's what this guy did. He came off as a nice guy, and then as soon as he got enough power, he's like, okay, that's it. We're imposing Sharia law on everybody in Iran, and we're just gonna what you said. You said rage baiting, right? And he's just been creating rage bait for the world through this brilliant. I mean, I gotta hand it to him. This brilliant invention called Al Jazeera. You ever heard of Al Jazeera?
It's a news channel.
Yeah, it's coming out of well, it's supposed to be news, but it's just pure propaganda that's following all the principles of propaganda, and it's straight out lies, man. I can tell you as somebody who lives here on the ground
Yeah.
in the Middle East, and they went into academia and they just bought out. You know, they say it's about money. They just bought out all of the academic positions. They can say something that is a pure freaking fabrication, and just say it often enough, people have no choice but to believe it. But you've gotten free. Like you somehow have managed to not buy the rage baiting.
No, hell no, brother. Hell no, bro. Not in a single second, bro. I
What's your name again? Suleiman.
Suleiman, yeah. My birthday is December 25th, 2004. I'm holy. I'm holy, brother.
Dude,
I'm holy.
you might have Jewish ancestry, and the Islamification, the Arabization of that they forced your ancestors to become Muslim or die. That might be your history. Suleiman is a very it's a very holy name. He was
Holy name, holy birthday,
holy birthday.
holy last name.
He was. What's your last name?
Al Hamida. It's a very royal, like Jordanian family. We have a whole hospital, one of the biggest hospitals in Jordan.
Really? He
Yeah, yeah.
so Solomon, the King Solomon, he was the wisest man ever. That's what
Really.
he made some mistakes. he made some he made some mistakes.
I, I made my fair share, brother.
All right, I'm about to head into the bomb shelter because these alerts keep coming up. But it's been really good chatting with you. You've got my WhatsApp number. Keep an eye
Yeah,
out.
I'll send you a text. I'll send you a
Keep an eye
text.
out
I'll
for the Middle
put
East,
my
and
name.
you can look out for my channel called Unity Perspective Press. I'm just trying to get enough content there, and that's the idea. Is just to unite. Unite as God
Hell yeah,
created.
brother.
You know, God loves
Hey,
us.
brother. I want to shake your hand through the camera, brother.
Yo, bro, a fist bump.
All right, brother.
All right,
Hey, if I ever come to Jordan, brother, I'll invite you to our family, bro.
dude.
Family dinner.
Look me up, man. Look me up. You've got my WhatsApp number.
Gotcha.
All right, take care.